Welcome to Automate Engineering. Today in our first tutorial we are going to demonstrate how to wire a Siemens S7 1200 PLC and HMI KTP400. So in this we are going to wire the HMI and even the PLC S7 1200. Both are industry grade PLC and HMI which are used for advanced processes and larger industrial grade. This is Siemens S7 1200 PLC. It is a DC-DC-DC PLC. A DC-DC-DC PLC means that it requires DC input. Also it gives DC output to its IOs, and a DC input is required to its output card also. So now this PLC is given a 24 volt input supply using an SMPS and an MCB. This PLC has got 8 digital inputs and 2 analog inputs, and also it has got 6 digital outputs. This is Siemens HMI. It is KTP400 HMI. 400 means it is 4-inch HMI. Also there are various options in HMI according to our requirement, which are 300, KTP300 which is 3-inch HMI, KTP700 which is 7-inch HMI, KTP1200 and KTP1500 respectively. Here the KTP400 requires 24 volt DC input supply. It can be communicated using a Profinet, that is a general LAN connection. Also a USB USB connection can be used to communicate. So now here we start the wiring of Siemens S7 1200 PLC. Now here as you can see, it is a 24 volt DC input is given to this PLC. Here L plus means 24 volt positive, M is 0 volt, this is ground symbol. Then as you can see here, outside arrow, it stands for the output given by the PLC. It is 24 volt DC again. L plus stands for plus 24 volt, M is again 0 volt. This M is then connected in common with M1. M1 is the input digital card, where as you can see there are 8 digital inputs. Also 2M is an analog input card. This M, which is a 0 volt, it is connected to 2M also, and even 1M. So accordingly it will give 0 volt to these both cards. And now we are connecting L plus. As you can see, this L plus is connected to a push button. Right now we are using a push button here as an input to PLC, and then the positive, that is 24 volt, is connected to the push button, and the other side of push button is given to respective 0, that is the 0 input digital input. This is a 0 is the address, 0 digital input, it is given. Now we'll start the SMPS. Now as you can see, the PLC has started. Now as we press the push button, you will get a blinking at the digital 0 input. As soon as you can see, as soon as I press the push button, it glows the LED at 0 digital input. Now this is the output card of Siemens S7 1200 PLC. As you can see here, 3L plus and 3M, these are 2 terminals where we have to give 24 volt DC supply, which is given to this output card. Then accordingly 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the outputs given to the relay cards. Now the positive is given, these outputs are given to the positive of relay card, and the negative of the relay card are looped together, and the negative of relay card which are looped together are given to 0 volt supply.